Hello PhotoKnack family, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into the world of self-portrait. They are an amazing way to express yourself, showcase your skill and build your portfolio. If you're new to self-portraits, you're in the right place. I've got 5 amazing tips to get you started, so let's dive in. The key is to start with basic poses. Think simple. A classic sitting pose, a silhouette, or even a simple prop can do the trick. Remember, less can often be more. I personally use the Imaging Edge app to connect my phone to my A7 III. I usually set a 5 seconds timer, hit the shutter button and place my phone aside or in my pocket. These apps can be a little frustrating at times as they don't really get connected to the camera in the first go and may get disconnected even while you're shooting. All you need is to stay patient and restart your camera and the app and try again. But trust me, it's worth it. Do not overcomplicate things with fancy lighting setups. Use natural light or use just one light and experiment with its position. And as you get comfortable, use a second light and see how it affects your image. Also, continuous lights are great for seeing your shots in real time, but they can be bulky and less powerful than your flash and strobe lights. So think about your needs before investing. Shooting in low light can be tricky, but here's a pro tip. Place a prop where you'll be sitting and focus on it. Now switch to manual focus and then remove the prop and get shooting. It's a simple trick that can save a lot of time and frustration. Another option is to use your phone as a focus point. Just place it closer to your face by pointing the screen at the camera. This allows your camera to focus. Using a smaller aperture is important to get sharper images. Anywhere around 3.5 to 5.6 should do the job. The beauty of self-portrait is the freedom to experiment. Just play around with prism, glass or some color gels to add a unique touch to your shots. Guys, trust me, self-portraits are an incredible tool for growth. They help you understand your camera, lighting and composition better. So just have fun, experiment and do not be afraid to make mistakes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more such tips and tricks. Stay happy and keep creating. Thank you for watching.